everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a secret Canva element that not many people know about. This is the Canva secret Valentine alphabet element and it's perfect for Valentine's Day designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then next just open your any designs. Go to elements and then just type this code, this one, like this. And you will instantly find this Valentine's styles alphabet element that has a black color like this with the cute doodles icon like this. I think it's so cute but also cool at the same time, and maybe this element perfect for a classic Valentine post or Instagram stories, couple design, love cards, anniversary poster, or maybe cute branding designs. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.